It is always a good idea to review before and after changes after adjusting your image. Let's go ahead and try that out. I am opening this image into Camera Raw. Here we are. You can see this little preview toggle button over here. If you uncheck this, it will show you the previous version. So let's adjust this image to preview before and after. Let's add a little temperature to the image. Let's increase a little exposure and increase a little of contrast. Let's add some of the clarity. So I'm increasing the clarity over here and also the vibrance. Now if I uncheck this button, this was the image before and this is the image now. It is much more vibrant, clear and exposed. But this works as if the changes of this panel will only preview. If I go ahead to Effects and add some post-crop vignetting, let's say I am making it a little darker and adding some feather effect over here. If I uncheck this, only the effects in this panel will be previewed. So this was the current image and this was the image before applying the changes of this panel only. But what if I want to see the overall image? For that, I'll press Ctrl-Alt-9 from my keyboard to go to the presets panel, or you can simply go ahead and click at the presets panel. Now when you uncheck preview, this was our original image and this is the image after adding all these effects. So this is how you can quickly review before and after adjustments.